Hey guys, it's me, Glitch Games, and welcome back to another YouTube. And in today's YouTube video, we're checking out a pretty crazy plugin for you guys. This plugin is called Custom Wings, and it allows you to make custom wings, and you can make custom shapes. It's all on the config file. You can put the particles and the shapes in the way you want to. You can make any shaped wing. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of hard to imagine in your head, but I'll show you in this video how that kind of works. But I think this is a quite amazing plugin, guys. So the link to the plugin, as always, will be in the description. And also, if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe so that you never miss another video. We upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you'll also be getting some bonus vlogs right now because I'm on holiday at the moment. Or well, not holiday, but like a little road trip. It's pretty exciting. So this video is actually pre-recorded in advance. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's YouTube video. Let's get right into it. Today's video is sponsored by SONGODA. SONGODA is a new and unique marketplace where you can easily find hundreds of high-quality, free and paid custom plugins to improve your overall Minecraft server experience. With the help of community and developer feedback, SONGODA is constantly working to improve the overall user experience. SONGODA features both their own plugins and plugins from developer you already know and love. Don't want to take my word for it? Well, why not listen to all the happy, satisfied customers? The link to the SONGODA marketplace will be in the description, so why not give it a try? Okay, so the Custom Wings plugin does actually come with some default wings. Comes with the plugin. So this is one of the wings that comes with the plugin. As you can see, it's really cool. And now the main command is going to be wings, and wings is the command that players are going to use. So this is the Bloodhound one that comes with the plugin. You've also got things like Soul Shadow, which you've also got all these different options, like the animations. Like, look at this animation, guys. It's actually pretty crazy. And my favorite one is this one, just because it's so thick. And yeah, so it's really awesome, and yeah, it's really awesome, guys. And you can also have different options for it. So I think this one actually follows you along when you're walking, so that's also an option, so that you can make it follow you along when you're walking. That's pretty awesome, guys. So these are the ones that come with the plugin, but you can actually go ahead and make your own custom one. So if we actually start going through the commands, we've got wings, and then you can do preview. And wings preview is really cool. When you've got a wing equipped and you do wings preview, it's just going to sit there, and you can actually have a 360 view of what's happening with the wing. And then if you type it again, it attaches back onto your body. So that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, so you can actually do /wings E, and this will open up the editor. And here you can edit all your different things. So we've got the Bloodhound one. You can actually come over and edit the particles that it's gonna be in. You can change the height, the speed, the color, and all that fancy stuff. It's really actually quite a cool plugin. How it does star offset and stuff off the ground. All the different lures in the GUI. There's so much stuff. There's also whitelisted stuff. Shows when moving. I'm gonna actually set this one to true, and then I'm gonna equip it with /W. So I'm gonna equip. Whoops, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna equip it, and now before we weren't actually able to move with this. Now we can move with it. So that's one of the options that you've got. So that's really awesome. You can also change all of the. So if I WE open the editor again, if I open up the particles, also you can change all of the particles. That's really awesome. See, you've changed the particles to drip water. And that should also change the particles. So now if I look behind me, you can see I've changed the particles on that, and that's super cool. So you can not actually change the shape of them from here. We're going to go into the config to show you that. Oh, this actually looks really cool. I think I've just made a really cool wing. Anyways, I'm going to go into config to show you guys how you guys can change the wings and also make your own custom wings with the shapes, and it's really cool. So coming over into the config, we can actually see all these different options, but we're going to be coming right down to here. We've got wings and then the Soul Shadow. So if I copy and paste this Soul Shadow here, copy and paste it, we can actually make ourselves a new one. That wasn't actually properly lined up. Just make sure you get everything properly lined up, because it does tend to break the plugin if you don't get it properly lined up. Now if we start going along, we're going to change this name to YouTube. We're going to change the name here to also be YouTube. We're going to change the icon to redstone underscore block. We're going to change the slot to 6. We're going to keep all of this at true. And here you can see we've got this wing. And this, the one that I'm actually editing, if I open it up, this is the one that I'm actually, wait, no, not that one. This is the one that I'm actually editing. It's this small one here. It's the one that you can walk around with and stuff. So I actually want to change the particles that's using. So what we can actually do is come over here, go to the particles, and we're going to change the particles from Crypt Magic, and we're going to do, let's do Dolphin. There we go. We've got that changed to Dolphin, and now we can actually make our own custom shape. And here you've got the X's. So this is what this is. You can actually have multiple different particles. So if I actually go particles, copy and paste this now, and boom, boom, boom. There you go. So now I can actually have one that is a cloud. Actually, let's not do cloud. That's kind of a weird one. We can do one that's crit underscore magic. And then what you can do is now we've got, so we'll make this one minus. Actually, we'll make this one, minus is for nothing. So we'll make this one B. So we've got X and B. And if I just start making, we've got the crit magic and the dolphin. I'm gonna like start making some little increments, or like not like, so this is gonna be like bubbles from the dolphins, and then I'm gonna have like little sections through here. If you get how I'm editing this now, I'm just changing those letters. Just make sure you do it all right. Don't mess anything up, otherwise that's bad. But as you can see, I'm just gonna make like a little line through here. There we go. Up we come, up we come. And there you go. So I'm going to make another little line coming up here. I've just got to be super careful. Something doesn't look lined up. Okay, here we go. Here it is. I honestly have no idea how this is going to look like, but I think that's good now. Let's save the file and hope that we haven't done anything wrong and reload the plugin. So we're going to do /w reload. And I've done something. Okay, guys, so just after a little issue, I must have like left out a comma somewhere or something. We've actually gotten it to work, and there we go. Now, you can actually see that we have, okay, it seems to be just the lines. So what have we done? What have we done? Oh, okay, yeah, while I was working that stuff out, I must have just, it's fine. There we go. And we're going to make the B crit magic and the X dolphin. Let's see if we can fix this. /W R. And there we go. There you go. So you've got the dolphin, which is the X's, and the B's in the middle, which is, it's not that obvious, but there you go. So it's actually working now. That's really cool. So I think it doesn't show too well because the crit magic is actually bigger than the dolphin. But there you go. That's how you do it. So I'm terrible at making these wings, guys. It is actually quite a hard thing to do. But with a little bit of practice, I'm sure you can get that down. You can use any particle in the game to make your wings, and you can make them really big. Obviously, like this really big one here. You can make something like this through the config. But there you have it, guys. That's how you make the wings within the config, and it's really awesome. It is actually quite hard to do, though. But to make something this big, I'd say it would take you quite a while. You'd probably mess up a few times. Or maybe you're just not as dumb as I am. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's YouTube video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. I'm on holiday right now, so you should be expecting vlogs every now and again on top of the videos on Tuesday and Thursday, because I'm going to be pre-recording all of those videos. Anyways, guys, that's it from me today. See ya.